Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management and click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will say phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system. Click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos.